Hi everyone. In the very past few months, we have been developing a system that will literally give you the hot leads. Like they are ready to buy the service right now. So, and finally, we tested and we found that the system is really working good. So for those who wants to know the how the process is and what are the pricing, because I have received a lot of questions about what should be the price, what are the price, and what are the things you're going to do, how your things you're going to do. So what we did is, after receiving a lot of requests on the pricing and the standard operating procedure of this, we have developed the two documents. One is actually clearly says about the three-tier pricing, and another is the standard operating procedure of how and what to do on the client part and what we will do on our part. Okay, so the first thing is the pricing and what it is it about. uh, Lead generation and the conversion solutions designed for the serious growth. Okay, so our tiered pricing and packages are built to meet businesses exactly where they are and delivering the measurable impact at every stage of growth. We don't want to be very pricey, we don't want to sound very pricey. We know that different businesses have their different budgets and the plans. So what we want to do is to give it a reasonable pricing that everybody can afford, and we really want to see it working for the businesses. Okay, so our pricing tiers: the startup plan is 297 per month. And what we'll do with that, the startup plan is designed for businesses ready to establish a structured, scalable lead generation system. We equip you with the essential tools to begin consistent outreach and early stage nurturing through a streamlined CRM and targeted cold email campaigns. Okay, so what it is included is the cold email management with instantly and the light deployment. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so we will be sending out the emails like this. We'll write those copies and everything. And CRM system setup, basic pipeline configuration. So what will happen is, when someone will reply these emails, which they will do, because they will want to get the solution, because we will be building a lead magnet for this, and will be communicating. That lead magnet will contain the solution of their biggest problem. So what we'll do is we will send them the email the way that they want that ebook or the calculator that will solve their biggest problem. Okay, if they say yes, then they will be taken to another level of communication where we'll be nurturing them about the every aspect of the services, and finally we will get them book an appointment with you. So in order to do that, we'll be using the Zapier in the backend and put them into a CRM system. While it's opening, let's continue this process like essential nurturing, and we'll be putting them in essential nurturing automation, and we'll be deploying the lead magnet into it. Okay, so this is ideal for the businesses taking their first step into predictable lead generation and needing a foundational system that can grow with them. Let me go inside of it. Let me show you how the CRM will look like and the basic pipeline configuration will look like. Okay, so this is a kind of basic pipeline configuration. In the pipeline, they will be uh, in a different stages, like the hot leads, then interested, close the deal, then book an appointment and waiting for requirements and everything. Okay. um so that was the starter plan that we will do, and we'll put them in a nurturing sequence where we'll be educating them automatically. They will be taken to the nurturing email automation, and they will be receiving the email like this, that is built for the nurturing automation. So that was the nurturing campaign. So this kind of nurturing automation, for example, some are here, they're waiting for the email 2. Some are here, they're waiting for the email 3. Some are here, they are waiting for the email 4. So each email will be discussing about the specific aspect of your services, and they will educate it, and finally they will book an appointment with them. Okay. So that was actually the plan with the starter plan, 297 per month. So what is the SOP for this? Like the standard operating procedure is that you need to have your instantly system ready, and other procedures will follow, like the select the plan, purchase dedicated outcome, outreach domains and the email addresses, and securely share logins and accesses. And we'll make sure that everything is set up correctly. And we next will be like to share the ideal customer profile. That is the starting point, because we need to have a detailed ideal customer profile and audience insight, because we will target this entire game plan will go right or wrong if we have the right ICP or the wrong ICP. Okay. So that this number 2 is very important part, which plays the very vital role in this entire game plan to make you succeed. Okay, so what you do is share the details about your best clients and who you want more of, like the industry, size, roles, and locations, and share any existing materials, case studies, decks, offers, etc. What we'll do is we'll define and document your ideal customer profile and key segments. We'll research your target audience, their biggest pain points and desired outcomes. Why? Because we will be developing the lead magnet that will solve their biggest pain points. Okay. And turn this into a simple strategy document that guides messaging and target. Okay. And phase 3 will be to build the lead magnet and funnel assets. Lead magnet creation, approve the topic and angle of the lead magnet, like the ebook, guide, checklist, calculator. You will do that. And what we will do is we will develop the concept around your audience's biggest pain points and write the design the lead magnet so it feels valuable and specific and aligned with your brand. And prepare the final file or host asset ready to share. Okay, we'll build the landing page and with SEO basics. You will approve the landing page, copy and design, approve what fields you want to collect, What we'll do is we'll build a dedicated landing page for the lead magnet, write the conversion focused copy, and structure the page for clarity. We'll add the basic on-page SEO, titles, headings, meta description, and connect the form to every submission becomes a track lead. And the phase three is lead generation and the campaign setup. So we'll do the lead research and list building, confirm that the types of companies and the roles we should prioritize. And that is your part. And the our part will be to research and build a targeted list of companies and decision makers based on your ICP, ideal customer profile. Collect and verify business emails to minimize bounce rates and segment your lead list by industry, geography, or role where helpful. Okay, we'll warm up and make sure about the deliverability. And this is what you do is none. We'll do connect your sending inboxes to instantly and configure the deliverability and start the monitor the warm up process so your domain reputation is protected. Cold email and copy and campaign, you'll review and approve the email sequences, and we will write the full cold email sequence like initial outreach and the follow-ups and personalize around the first name, company role, and pain points without sounding spammy. Set up the campaigns in instantly, including sending in schedules, inbox rotation, and safety limits. Test everything internally before launch. And the phase four is CRM pipeline and the automation. So CRM integration and the data flow, what we'll do, you do is provide access to your CRM, or confirm which platform you use, or definitely in this case, we'll be giving you the system. Okay. And what we do is connect the instantly forms and the landing pages to your CRM and ensure that every new lead automatically appears in your CRM with the right fields and tags. Map the data so you can see source, campaign, and key details for each lead. Okay, let me repeat this. For this CRM, what you do part, if you do not have, this is only for those who already have a CRM, but we are going to give you the CRM system. So if you do not have it, do not worry, we'll give you. But if you already have it, we do not want to disturb this entire already existing process of yours, so we will connect that with your CRM. That's the part. Okay. So a pipeline and stages, it means that on the pipeline there are different stages. We will you approve the pipeline stages that matches your sales process, because every business has their own sales process. So we'll definitely propose you the pipeline stages and you will approve it. And what we do is build a clear pipeline inside your CRM, like the new lead to engage to meeting booked to proposal to closed one or lost. And make sure the new leads enter the correct stage automatically, and we will set up the ownership rules so the right people are notified. The appointment system, some businesses already have the appointment system, so we will not disturb it, we'll use it. But those who do not have the appointment system, we will build the appointment system for you. You will just confirm the availability, meeting links, and the preferred calendar tool. We'll configure your booking system, calendar link configurations and reminders. Correct the booking link to your emails, landing page, and follow-ups. Where possible, sync book calls back to your CRM. Phase five is automations and ongoing optimization. The new lead automation, lead magnet flow. What you do is approve the thank you email and follow up content. What we will do is when someone signs up, automatically send a thank you email with ebook, calculator, or download link to them. Notify your team with the lead details and add the lead into the CRM pipeline with the right stage and tags, and enroll them into a nurture sequence that provides ongoing value. Okay. Number 12 is yes reply and interested lead handling. What you do is show up to the calls and close the deals. That's it. And what we do is detect the positive replies, yes, interested, or let's talk, automatically move them to an engaged interested stage in your CRM. Notify your team and prompt next steps like send booking link, assign task, and everything, and ensure they are removed from further cold follow-ups and moved into a more personal flow. Nurture and continuous optimization. What you do is share feedback on lead quality and sales outcomes. And what we will do is run ongoing nurture sequences for leads who engage but did not book or buy yet. Monitor the performance like the open rates, replies, positive responses, meetings, and deals. And refine targeting, copy, angles, and sequences based on real data. Okay. This is the starter plan. That everything that told you is on the starter plan. Growth plan is 597 per month and accelerate your reach and improve lead quality. It includes the cold email management with instantly CRM system, advanced automation, Facebook ads management, Google ads, and lead magnet development. So in this stage, in the growth plan, we'll be not only doing the instantly cold emailing, but also we'll be doing the Facebook ads and the Google ads for you. But let me tell you this 597 does not include the ad cost. That ad cost should be borne by client. The scale plan is 997 per month. It's a complete, fully managed lead generation engine, and it includes the cold email management with instantly CRM system, full smart automations, Facebook ad management, Google ad management, professional SEO management of your entire website, lead magnet development, even month and monthly strategy call, and advanced reporting dashboard. So these are the three pricing that we have right now. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Thank you.